Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. This is Emma's Art Cafe and it was released in 2018. I have finally rebuilt it into a modular building and I have done it as a corner one because I really liked the takeaway part of this build. Alright kitties, I'm dropping you off. Have fun at the cat cafe. I've made this pretty little tree with lots of leaves and flowers on there, make the front look pretty. And I've used the original windows on the front and the sandwich, and I've stuck some cat stickers on this tile so you know it's a cat cafe. And I've tiled the front here with some dots tiles and some pretty planter pots at the front too. And here I've done the takeaway section. That's why I had to make this a corner build. Some tables and chairs, a little cat stand there. We'll pop the kitty on there. And I love the picture there that Emma painted on the side. I had to use it there. Inside here we have more paintings. And we've got the menu there so you know what the cafe sells. A big coffee machine. We have the sandwich bar here. And I've put a little sofa and table there. And that's Bianca. She works at the cat cafe with her husband Jack. He's behind the sandwich bar there now. Over here I'm going to put a cat stand so we can stick lots of kitties inside so you can go and play with them. And I've put this little tassel there for the kitties to play with. We'll pop it over here. And I need to pop this kitty up here. Come on, you're on display now. And this one over here. That was from Olivia's mission vehicle a few years back. Bianca's serving up some fishies to the kitties and Andrea and Stephanie are taking a look at some. Spin this around now and we need another cat stand at the front here. And same as the other one, just different plates here and another little dangly tassel for them to play with. And come back kitty, there we are, we need to stick you on here. There you go. Time to have a look at the upstairs apartment, and I've put some planter pots at the front and continued the purple theme here and used the same windows as downstairs. I used some arches and I've done a purple awning as well and some purple support posts to make it look more fancy at the front, and a window on the side. And we've got a vine growing up here as well. And this door here is for the balcony up the top. There is a shelf here in the kitchen for some mugs and jars. And that's from Emma's house because I thought that sticker would look perfect there. And I've made a little rug. Time to fit out the kitchen. Grey and white colour scheme. Very simple. It's got a kitchen sink and a little drawer there with a little vase with a flower. Okay, we'll pop that here in the corner. Little cabinet here, and I've got a white jumper plate there, or studded tile, and a little oven with a stove top, and something's baking inside. Yummy! Little fridge is going next, and there is a little milk and some soft drink inside, and it fits perfect. Nice kitchen. Here I've made another little cabinet with drawers with some vases on top. Grey also, so it all ties in nicely together. Need a little teapot here, and it's made with a clear minifig head and a claw or tooth. So that fits nicely there. And we've got a bowl of biscuits, yummy. And we'll pop that over here in the corner. Next is a cozy little armchair, purple and grey colour scheme. And I used some dots tiles to fancy it up a little. And it's going here in the corner. so it fits perfect next to the bookshelf. We're putting in a floor lamp now, so there's plenty of light for Bianca to read her books, and she's reading a cookbook at the moment. Next is a TV stand, and it has DVDs in here as well if you have some DVDs still. And we have a little TV on top with a Mario game being played. More colour, just a simple flower pot going in the corner here, and now we need a couch. Grey and purple colour scheme, and these stickers are from an old Dolphin cruiser ship I had. It was off a jet ski. I thought they fit perfect there. And simple little coffee table that does the job. And here's the Nintendo console. I'll pop it over here. And here is the game controller. Look at this. Yay! Bianca's happy. She's sitting in the corner about to read a book. And her husband Jack is going to play Super Mario. Wow, I'm loving this apartment. Okay, we're going to put it on top of the cat cafe now. Okay, that's on there, and now I just have to connect the vines because I've put the top on. There we are. Look at this. It's looking good. Yay! This is the third floor, and I've continued the same windows and colour pattern and everything else from the bottom. And I've popped dots tiles to fancy it up a bit. And I've done this roof line, which I really like, and I was able to do it on the side too because I had so many bricks from my Lego haul. And here's the vine growing up the side of the building again. Inside we have a cat picture on the wall with a little mirror, and they love hot chocolate because they have a cafe, so they got a little picture there. Fancy gold tap in the bathroom, and look at this pretty swanky toilet. I thought it's very nice, and I decided to put some washi tape here as wallpaper. I decided to put a bath in, and I'm actually sitting in it. It is very comfortable with that headrest, and there's lots of fancy lotions and potions there. And an upright tap because that's a modern touch at the moment. I think I better get out of the tub, hey. Okay, bedtime, and purple colour scheme again. And I tried using up some of the purple bricks I had, and it's on a 6x6 plate and a 1x6 plate to try and make it a little bit bigger. And there we are, it fits. Now I wanted a lamp behind the bed, so when Bianca goes to bed she can do some reading too. There it is, I finally got it in place. Now a little bedside table, and very simple design with a beautiful vase on top, and that fits snugly in there. Over here will be a dressing table, and she can use it as a desk also, and I wanted to use up the curved bricks, so that's why it's such a very simple design. And we need a little stool to sit on with a fancy cushion. Pop that in right there, and a little bag. Oh, also don't forget the mobile phone. Wow, what an awesome bedroom. Let's stick it on top now. Oh wow, look at this modular. This will look great in any city. Now, time to fit it out with cats. Emma's bought a pet cat, Chico, and he is going to sit up here. He's loving that cat stand. And my cat, Mickey, yes, he's loving his friends too. And Kitty Pops decided to join in on all the fun and have some yummy cake at the cafe too. Hey, Sasha's come to join us. Hello, Sasha. Say hi to everyone. Hello, also known as Melody. And she's bought her cat Washi, and Washi is hanging out in the tree. Washi, get out of the tree. Hello, it's me, Cat Lady, and I've bought my cats, Rufus, Doofus, and Cuddles. I'm enjoying a nice cuppa. You two don't get up to mischief. Hey! The Brickhead's little grey kitten has come to join us. Oh, off he goes. Oh my goodness, look at this collection of kitties. There's just too much cuteness here. Jack's having a nice nap on his couch after a long hard day's work. Oh no, kitty invasion! Oh look, they all love him and he loves them. My modular building of Emma's Art Cafe is now an art and cat cafe. I actually took 3 times to rebuild this as I didn't have enough of the aqua and dark pink windows, and I was like, this just isn't looking good. So I made do with what I had, and I think it's turned out fabulous. So thank you everyone for watching, and I hope I've given you some ideas on how you can modify yours. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building, and get creative.